Urhobo, my boy, how you guys doing today? My Proverb is Urhobo. This proverb of the day today is a saying in Urhobo land that says, "Obolevia ebu webe, echavia umeoko." Urhobo is not an easy one. Obolevia webe, ochavia umeoko. This is a way of saying that you sense deja vu. First of all, let me interpret that properly. That what happened in the house of goat will happen in the house of fowl. When you say that when you sense a deja vu, maybe something similar to what is happening now had happened before, and you like, no. Why go now? Who also put yourself on the guard? Okay, together. But there's something that led to that saying in Urhobo land. Come on, come kick back one. Oboshalada koi josi. Awo josi le yo. Ori toke wo ani awo shara kotanya ke ojoja da wo josi awa na beditede. Emi mo bo pa obere ana. O shawa na wa yaka na die ope mo bule. Esi oni jere sele ego na wesa na bobu ma wo. You know, I quit when I carry planning. In that plan that okay, let us permit the guy.
Have mercy upon us.
O shaleli ayena. Yo chule. De boteli. Lo vale na lo be boy o tavena. Koya decision manifu ebe. O de chile kona gavena. Ona gavena. Ayewu kota no shame. Inu be ya pe fun ebe na. Asali ekpana. Owa ya gebu kawaya. E no reti ya le kala otiyo ki kowa o kwele oguru. O gunule na ojite urura gbane emera wera ayire o kosale nu ko kwale le osere yi ko badana ibe na boye apo bani Urhobo dale omyo wasobo another parable again Urhobo dia mo kere omyo wasobo mean that a fast sleeper does not sleep badly in one place. He sleeps badly today at home. He will sleep badly today anywhere he or she goes. Forget that. Now, once you are bad, your bad attitude will always catch up with you wherever you go. So you need to change your ways. That is the reason I'm here. And if you are getting what I'm saying, put your comment in the comment section and press the like button. And before I continue with my story, a shout out to Grace Money, one of our major sponsors. Okay, Grace Money Limited gives you a loan on a very fair deal. No, out there you have a lot of loan sharks, but Grace Money will have value. Urhobo Iwolo and anybody else we wanted the Grace Money as Urhobo office life. So the what you want about to we treat everybody equally at Grace Money Limited. Welcome me phone number live is screen and now as I'm talking to you. Number 8 Solomon Lawe opposite to Taco Motor Park in Jabi, Abuja, Oya. So what I gonna you go your pata. Oh yeah, boy, I cannot go well to there. Come on now. Omyo remi wasobo epoketiana ayawo tasale ona emulosha na bi wese gba nunu opa ola mre o shale pa bo ta fele ola yi kuru kerere edebulete o ta fina ko fu eni o shawe na esi oni jere sene misal we onweyo ale oyoma na okoyoma ka na bori lu agwale asudete be pope kole o shena aswole pe kona kinka gwani inu be ya pe fun we kona we nu be ya be fun kona Heti balaborelo oya wo sayel wo nyawo pele koto omena oya ma cha ni ede na tele o sa na ke nyo obule popo we kola aye me e mo bo ya bu we kola ani mi gbe tu nyo na e no be ya bo atani aye me je won na odo be ya wo e bi gono bi we kola
you think say they wise
Odo be ye we golo ya we kona ayi no ni o se be kide wota na wo mi de bota na le ta lo yoma amro go o kiri amro de bani o ke wale anabonu da wele wo chuma for is because you are your own chief security officer wona bonu da wele wo bi ya kokko ibu we bi wona bo onu da na wele so ko boto ma ru egeni Karoma no na bo na pia ala no si o no eti ko ya der je chobuko o zigero shana we ji pepe kan pe endi nyele etia abobo yo ko shana o ko ya ko ble ku pia
you think say they wise you are a woman
yo shana wo dilewo wo bleda Banu robotani ofo yamlenu ofo ure yamlenu oruelo mi dayo ko anu ne wa ke wokele so je odia so when you are assessing a deja vu you say obole ebi awere ebe oyi gono bia ewu ona and sometimes you could also turn it the other way that one good turn deserves another or nemesis will catch up with you with what you are doing that if you think that what has happened to me today is of no use is not important that what has happened to me today would happen to you or could happen to you tomorrow how do you see my outing? Oyoma, agomena ufue. Wado awenu. It just better and awenu. Wado. No idea. You do.